Hey guys, and welcome back to Mind Blast episode 5. So we did left off on the part where we left there was like a pig over here, and other than that, I was collecting some few crystals in the previous level, which I got them all. So I'm gonna continue where the last time we dropped by this pig over here who lost his way trying to find his way out. So we're gonna continue the journey. Right into the door. And I don't know how to do this, so my ruby. I really love how the game design is in this, like, it's amazing. Oh, got a battery. And my spot is a little bat. I think the only way to lure the bats is that when they start chasing you, you put a dynamite like right in front of them, like this, and then once he returns, it like explodes right in front of his face and he dies, like that, obviously. I found a diamond. I have more diamonds and I can't see what's down here. Okay. Usually I could have made videos of older games of Nurture like 2 years ago. But back then I wasn't like ready to make videos, so I was like maybe later and stuff like that. So I already played all up. What the? Oh, it's a battery. Oh, I never knew that. That was kind of odd. Oh yeah, and the reason is that like I already play all of his older games of Nurture, so usually I'm sorry about that. That I already played them all. Oh, dang it. And since this is like the new game of Nurture, usually I was thinking that like I forgot what I was gonna say. So usually I already play all the games of Nurture, so sorry about that, but now I know that whenever he's making a new game, I'm not gonna play right now. Like I'm gonna save it. I'm not gonna like play immediately. I'm gonna save it to make a video. Okay, I found some dynamite. So yeah, so sadly I already played all of the games he had. Oh wow, I got it right there. Oh my god. That was so close. And yeah, but the reason that like he made tons of games like Super Cat Tours 2, I already played it, Yokai Dungeon, Magic Bridge, and Snow Kids. Well, I already played all of those, but there's one thing. I'm thinking to make a video of Super Cat Tales 2 because the reason that I'm gonna make a video of it, even if I already played it, is because there's a new update coming this summer. So I'm thinking to make a video of a walkthrough gameplay through the whole thing. That way you can like, if you're someone who haven't played Super Cat Tales 2, then I'll just say that you can feel free to watch the story while I play it. So yeah, this is like, this summer there's gonna be a new update, like new levels, a new world, like the final part of the update. So yeah. Okay, there was no jump. Something. Oh, there's something in here. Oh yeah, something in here. Nothing. Climbing up, my little boy. I feel like there's something there, but I don't want to like lose the ladder. Holy Jesus. Oh, we missed one. I don't know where. I think it was in the box. It was. Something in here? No. Okay, I do not like this at all. Something in here? No, okay, I don't know why you put that for no reason. Okay, love that part. I'm gonna go back and go back again because usually, like, if you running low on dynamites, you usually just get like a new pair of dynamite just respawn out of nowhere. So none of them respawn, but there could be something inside this box, like a nugget or a diamond. It's a ruby. Okay. Okay, I do not like this at all. There's nothing here. Can I just put it like this? Run! Run! Okay, I'm safe down here. Oh my god, I was so close. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Go, 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 go. There's a bat. Can I reach him? Dead. Suffer. Okay, there's gotta be something in these boxes. I'm gonna get this ruby first. This sexy ruby. Get the key. Something in this one? Oh wait, no. Not worth it. Oh no 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 no! You go back to where you were. I always think that there's always like something inside every box, like yeah, like that. There was something inside a box, but not all of the boxes have like a ruby inside of the box. Oh come on, dude! Ouch! I'm just gonna run. We got the second key, and we go. Something over here. Okay, good, we got them all. Nothing. I don't know what this spot for. I think there's something over here. Nothing. Just one nugget. And the beetle. Here. Oh, my mistake. I was gonna jump over it, but I couldn't jump over the explosion, thinking something over here, but there was nothing. These have some frogs. Why would there be frogs in a cave? Like, that's weird. They belong in the pond, not in the cave. Okay, I hope I don't get splinters. Oh! Oh my god, that was so close. Anything in here? Nothing. There's a nugget down there. I want to get that sick nugget. That juicy baby nugget. Kill. Kill. Kick the football. Or the foot beetle. Whatever. Ah, you taking my nugget? He's guarding my nugget! Okay, you're gonna die here. Oh no. Oh no, no, not you, not you. I hate those bats. I hate bats. Can I? Okay, you didn't do anything. Anything over here? Nothing.